Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today is all about making a strong and tasty espresso with this Ernesto Espresso maker. It is lightweight aluminum housing and it has filter. You can do 9 cups maximum, approximately 370 ml, and let's jump in to see what we have and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out, and the manual, if you want to read it is your choice. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nice. We can see a hoodie handle. Of course this is a plastic, it looks like a hood. Nice matte color around. We've got the safety valve. This is suitable for all hob type except induction. Well, let's see inside. Oh, there we are. Nice. Unscrew that, and here we can see we've got a filter with a durable silicone seal around and another filter cap. Nice. And you can see how it looks inside. Well, it cost about 8 euros, and I was just have a curiosity to see how well it will do an espresso, and that is the time to test it. You can screw it. Now let's move on to make an espresso. Now here we are to starting making a coffee. Unscrew that, take out the filter and fill up with water here, 370 ml of water, not more than this safety valve. Insert the filter. We need coffee, of course. You can do maximum 9 cups. Great. Now, how is working all this process? The water is boiling slowly. Don't put it on a high temperature. Start all the process by heating up slowly this unit, because if you're going to boil it in a high temperature, it will destroy all the flavor and it will take out very fast the extraction of the coffee. And then we can see we've got the rubber down here, filter, and the coffee with the water. It will come out from here and it will extract the coffee from these 2 holes. Screw it very well. Tight it very well. Nice. Turn on. Let's put it on 4. We need slowly to do all the process. Now, at the time you hear the water is boiling, just remove it and leave the extraction to be smoothly. Now I can hear slowly starting to boil. We need to wait until the water it will rise and we will have the first extraction of the water with the coffee, and then remove it from the electric hob. And I can hear it's boiling now more, and I think in a few seconds it will come out the coffee. It will rise slowly. And there we are. And it's coming out slowly, very smoothly, the way we need. Now you can turn on your electric hob, but it will stay for a few minutes warm. That's how it will help the extraction of the coffee. Nice, this is a perfect extraction of the coffee. Slowly and smoothly. And you can remove it The amount of coffee that I insert before, it is for 4 peoples, for 4 cups. It depends if you want a double espresso. Great and smoothly extraction. And you can see it is off the electric hub and it's still rising the coffee. And there's your espresso. Great, of course you can do a Freddo espresso, put some ice, shake it, and then there you will have your Freddo espresso. Or you can do a Freddo cappuccino. Of course you need shaker for the milk frother, but you can do that. Definitely it is very helpful, this hand espresso maker. You can take it with you at your camping, for vacation, wherever you want. You don't have to take with you all the electric espresso machine. Take only this hand espresso maker and definitely you will enjoy a very tasty and strong espresso. Well, let's see. Nice. Thumbs up. He's doing a great job. Well guys, that was all about. It cost about 8 euros, and if you need to buy it, well, it is your choice, just buy it. For me, it's doing a great job. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.